Hello, how we doing? Got a day off today. It's a bit damp outside and it's due to tip down later. So I'm going to polish Hetty's exhausts. I've got to remove these exhaust covers so we can do behind those as well. I started with the mufflers at the back here. I've done the bottom one so you can see the difference compared to the top one. Big difference. What I'm going to be using is good old-fashioned Autosol, as well as a normal rag and then a microfiber at the end we'll use to buff it up. Now you may well be familiar if you've done if you've noticed your exhaust before, you'll see that sometimes it gets blotchy. These are actually alright, these are fine, but I've got a little bit of blotchiness on the other side. That tends to be from what I understand it's from the alloys in the metal. When the exhaust heats up, the different metals turn different colours at different temperatures. So, but apparently, well, I say apparently, some people have reported that once they have polished them, they don't tend to blotch up again. I suppose it just depends how lucky you are with the exhaust that you bought, but I'm not going to take the exhaust off completely. I'll most probably do that in the winter when I've got more time. So I'm going to do as much as you can see. Just make sure that I do everything that you can see, because that'll make a big difference when we come to look at it at the end. So I'll just do a test piece now. I'll show you what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to do this small area here so you can see it on the camera. And before your very eyes, you shall see a big noticeable difference. So yeah, just put a, I don't know, like a pea-size amount on. Then work it in. Try not to do too much in one go. I'm going to really spend my time on this because I've got all bloody day to do it. So may as well make it look good. A lot of elbow grease involved. I mean, you most probably could use, certain power tools or whatever, but I'd rather get the satisfaction doing it by hand. So if I rub that off, you should be able to see how much shinier it is in comparison. In fact, morning. People won't leave me alone. Come on, focus you. There. Come on. Come on. It's not playing ball today, is it? Ah, that's a bit better. So now you can practically see a reflection there, and that is what we want. This will discolour again. This will go like a nice bronzy, goldy coloured shape, goldy bronze. But the difference is it will be much cleaner than it was before. There won't be any detergent or anything that's burnt on there, or any watermarks. So by the time they're done, this will look pretty stunning. Right, I'm going to stick some music on in the background and I'll see you again when I've polished it all up. this will be much easier for you to see the difference. I've only just been doing this header so far, as you can see. But yeah, the difference is very, very noticeable. And now it is extremely shiny. If it will focus properly. No, it doesn't want to know, does it? So I'll put it into manual and do it myself. Here you go. That's better. So you can see the colour difference straight away. Very noticeable. Well, I'll have a smoke. You can carry on and you can see it all when it's finished. See you in a bit. Here we have the finished article. Oh yeah, it's on manual, isn't it? That should be a bit better. So clean you could eat dinner off it. I did this cover. Oops. I did this cover on the front as well. It's brushed still, but it's still come out very well. It's very nice. Oh, and of course, yeah, the headers look really good now. Let's see if we can get you in a better spot to see those. So you can even see me in them now. Put it back in manual. Yeah, well worth doing if you've got a spare Sunday morning. This is the other side. Again, you can almost see me in those. Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, well worth spending a morning. Like I said, I would like to take these off completely in the winter when I've got more time and do the whole thing. But generally, for a morning's work, it's well worth doing. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. I'll give the whole bike a once over with some polish now while it's here. But yeah, I'll cut this for now, and yeah, cheers for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Have a good one.